Hey guys,
Hey guys, so welcome to Binge
or Bitch, where he talks
and She Talks.
and we eat. So today we've got some really exciting food lined up for you, and it's something called Kitchen Stories, and it is absolutely lovely. We've gone a different type. We decided to forget about plates.
This is proper South Indian food, enjoyed the way it's supposed to be enjoyed. So we went with, 99% of it is what it looks like, except for the glasses.
Yes.
Excuse us.
We're still getting our props in place, but I think we've aced this as of now. So we've got a lovely, lovely spread by two sisters. And what we came to learn is Tamil Nadu has a lot of different spices when it comes to their food. And today we're going with Madurai biryani. So we've got a lot on our plate. We've got a variety of food on our plate. We've got the Madurai biryani. We've got the chicken 65, we've got the chicken kebab, and we even have a specialty from Madurai, which happens to be the curry dosa. So,
Yes, guys. So just off the top, Madurai biryani. Well, this is based on what I've heard and what I've come to know of. Madurai biryani has a lot of spices in it, usually served with an egg. A lot of people there love their eggs, and succulent pieces of chicken served with sirga sambar rice.
Sirga sambar.
Sirga sambar.
Which
Yes.
is Jeera sambar.
Which is for the
Now we're
others.
just pronouncing it again.
Yes, so sirga sambar rice. The smell that you get from this rice, it's a very it gives out an amazing aroma.
Yeah.
The smell of the rice just hits you flush in the face. It's amazing. It looks delicious. I love South Indian food.
Me too.
We love South Indian food. Sorry, my apologies. We love South Indian food. Biryani from Tamil Nadu. What I've tasted, one thing I love is spice in my food. Biryani from Tamil Nadu is always hit that spot. It is very special. I find it very, very special to me.
But he's forgotten about something. Do you know that this particular biryani, beside the sirga sambar rice, is made out of coconut milk?
Oh wow.
So Madurai biryani is made out of coconut milk, and that is something very, very different, and it's got a taste of its own. We've never tried this particular type of Madurai biryani.
I haven't tried Madurai biryani, to be very honest. I've tried biryani from different parts of Tamil Nadu, but not Madurai biryani per se. I'm excited to try it. I love South Indian food, and
You dig in, I'm going to give them
Yes.
a bit of info. Okay, so another thing that we learned is that in Madurai there are top three places which were mentioned to us. One happens to be Amma's Mess, one happens to be Konar Mess, and the other is Mayur Mess. So the Mayank Mess. Sorry, I may be wrong with this. Triveni, if you're online, please correct me if the names are wrong. And these places make this typical biryani. But this biryani was made by two sisters who happen to be my juniors from Sacred Hearts. And they decided that their mom's cooking was really good. So they decided to take a couple of recipes from them. So if you're in Ulso and if you want something to eat, you should definitely hit them up. I've just got the smell of it. Sean looks like he's already binging on it. So I'm gonna a little more about the two sisters. One is an academic professional and the other was in Siemens. But she decided to quit her job when she got married and do something different. She wanted to start off on her own. And I think this is the first time on Binge or Bitch where we've got a Madurai cuisine, which is very, very, very different. Sean's just continuing belting his food, as you can see. So I'm going to dig in and let him talk about how it is.
I've heard a lot about Madurai biryani, and what I've heard has now come to life right here in front of me. It is amazing biryani. It's not overpowered by the coconut milk. It's got a very subtle flavor. All right. Um, Amazing fluffy rice cooked to perfection. The chicken with the biryani is so tender. The chicken 65, like I said, South Indian food. You go down south when you go towards Tamil Nadu, their food does have a bit of spice, and it's not too overpowering. It's not very spicy. It's that marriage of flavors in your mouth from the biryani, which is just amazing. It's just got a blend of flavors that is like no other. Madurai biryani is something that I've always been waiting to eat, waiting to try, and thank you Sindhu and
Triveni.
Thank you Sindhu and Triveni for giving us this amazing food. The biryani is just the rice grains. The reason why you use Sirga Sambar rice, it's a short grain rice. That is very flavorful. It adds to the texture of the rice. The first thing, especially when you're eating something, the first thing that catches a glimpse of what you are about to taste is your nose, your ability to smell, which adds to the excitement, which adds to the want for you to try something. Rebecca was complaining about me, and she hasn't lifted her head up from the time she dug in. So we'll leave that. I'm not pointing at it, even though I am. But guys, so much of tradition, so many values. You've taken things from your mom, which always holds dear to you. For any kid out there, any that wants to try something that their mom has cooked for them from the time they were kids, something you take off from them, this is definitely something you should have. I'm glad you've taken over. It is just wow. Trust me, we love biryani.
Yeah. So I can eat biryani for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But saying that, this is something I've never tasted before. It is very, very different, but it is definitely bang on. Sorry?
I want to try it with the egg.
Okay, so the masala, when you taste it, it's got a very nice, soft, subtle taste. But you can taste the Sirga Samba, and you can also taste the masalas, the spices used rather, sorry. When you mix it with the raita's got a slightly sweet taste, and it gives the biryani a different kick altogether. And it, as Sean said, it's not only your nose that the sense, it's not only the aroma that heightens your sense of smell, but I think this is like an arousing of senses. All your sensory organs right now are coming into play. You can taste it, you can feel it, you can see it, and it is okay. So this is the first time I think this is like my biryani gasm.
Trust me guys, the marriage of flavors in the biryani itself, not a lot of people like to eat eggs, alright, but with the biryani, I've tasted. Okay, so I've gone through everything that is on my plate. And the combination of the egg with the biryani, the yolk included, with the biryani, is amazing, guys. It's amazing. You got the creamy richness of the egg yolk, the subtle flavors from the egg white. Egg white generally does not give out a lot of flavors.
Yeah.
It's very mellow, tasteless.
You can
if
say
I
that.
may. The yolk, of course, creamy richness from the yolk on the inside. But guys, Sindhu, Triveni, trust me, you always want to pass things down from generation to generation. This is one of the things that I would vouch for you guys. Thank you for going down that. route. I think I've even changed Rebecca's thought process when it comes to eating biryani with egg.
Yeah.
It is amazing. It's like nothing. for the guys that actually don't like egg, I would urge for you to try this. It is something.
Okay, you're the wrong person to say that. For the guys who don't like egg, which could be like me, this is something that is very, very different. Because as Sean said, the creaminess of the yolk, along with the biryani.
Creamy richness.
Can I finish? Thank you very much. So yes, but as he is right, there is a creaminess, there is a richness. It's just got a taste of its own. If you haven't tried it, I really, really do suggest that you try this Madurai biryani. You can get in touch with Sindhu or Triveni. They're called the Kitchen Stories, and you can try of some of their homemade goodness, because this is actually damn good. And unlike Sean, today I definitely biryani gasmed. But we still have one more item which we haven't touched, and we were savoring for the end.
We have a few more items that we have to talk about.
Oh yes, I forgot about that.
I think the biryani got to our head, so excuse us guys. The chicken 65 and prepped, right?
Yes,
The chicken 65
it's
and
crispy and nice. It is.
it's got that bit of crisp. It's got an amazing flavor to it.
Yeah.
Very South Indian. Loaded with flavors. It's fried, but it's not too oily. You can taste the masalas. You can taste the spices that go into it. But it's a very subtle, mellow flavor on your palate, if I may. Juicy, succulent chicken, marinated, tender, just goodness. The chicken by itself. Now, moving away from the biryani, which we've been talking about and raving about, you got the chicken on the side, which is equally as good. The combination of the two, actually, the biryani with the chicken, both the chicken 65 and the pepper chicken, is phenomenal. The biryani by itself is amazing.
Yes.
The biryani with the egg adds that extra bit of richness. Looking at the fact that there is coconut milk, it's not
You can't taste
you
it.
can't taste it. It's got that very subtle kind of flavor that enriches the biryani.
Yeah.
As like, yeah, for me, I think the coconut milk just enriches the biryani.
Mm-hmm.
If I said that right.
Yeah.
Good marriage of flavors. You can see the spices on this thing, which is what makes Madurai biryani so unique.
But it is definitely something you should try if you haven't. Like we're experiencing things for the first time, we urge you to experience things too. These are homemade, these are hygienic, these are super safe, these are from small businesses, #vocal for local, #support small businesses. These are definitely something you should take into consideration, and it's from somebody else's kitchen, so you never know what taste they have to offer until you really try. The one thing that we haven't gone into at the moment is the curry dosa. As you can see, it's got a nice...
Becca's just waiting to get to the curry dosa
Yes, I
because it
am.
looks divine, guys.
So it is, to me, okay, I'll tell you a simple way of describing it, very simple way. It looks like a mini pizza. It's the size of a mini pizza. It's got a coating of egg, and it's topped with mutton. It's topped with mutton chops. All of these photos are going to be up in case you can't see them. You can't see the food on the video because it's different. Our hands are dirty, and moving in on it is going to spoil it. But you should, once the video is over, we're going to be posting the photos. The food is amazing. As I said, our photos may not do justice to the food.
And you guys need to excuse me. This is the only way you eat it. Madurai food, I don't think anyone needs to use a spoon and a fork. Hands, get into it.
Are you allowed
That
to
is,
say
then you just have to put your hands into it. Just dig in. There is no. It's not very. It doesn't look very pretty, but trust me, this is the best way to go for it. And
I'm doing the same thing.
yes,
sorry.
is a curry dosa, right?
Curry dosa. Oh, wow. Okay. Sorry, I'm pulling at it wrong. Okay. I can see egg, I can see dosa, I can see meat.
Wait till you taste it.
Okay, guys. Don't talk with your mouth full, so give us a minute. That dosa,
My.
that dosa, curry dosa is brilliant. The mutton is succulent. It's soft. It's juicy. It's got masala. You can actually taste it right through. When you bite into it, it's a flavor like I've never tasted before. It's something I definitely haven't tasted before. Today's food has been an eye-opener to the Madurai cuisine, to the typical South Indian Tamil Nadu cuisine. It is definitely, it's got flavors that you've never tasted, and it is amazing. Sometimes, we hold back when we have to use a word because we may not be using the accurate word for it, because we may be under describing it when we should be honestly telling you need to taste this to believe or feel what we're even feeling right now. It is divine. And honestly, when I was looking at this from the beginning, because it has an appeal. No, it just has an appeal where it's got you wondering, what the hell is that? Because you've never tasted it, and it has got so many flavors. As I said, it's like a mini pizza, but it tastes way better.
Minus the cheese.
Minus the cheese, minus the everything else. It just looks
if I have to break it down for you guys, dosa with ghee is something that we all love.
Yeah.
The guys who actually like ghee, even for the guys like me, I was a person that was never fond of ghee, and I learned to love it and taste. Ghee, for other guys, is also known as clarified butter. This is definitely a wow factor, guys. Don't be fooled by the size of it. It packs a punch. Dosa loaded with ghee, topped off with, again, egg, rich, creamy, amazing goodness. The masala, the mutton, it has a very subtle gaminess to it. The spices, the coriander, the onions, the tomatoes that has gone into it. I don't think tomatoes, I could be wrong. There are chilies, loads of pepper.
There's curry leaf, there's coriander.
There's coriander, there's curry leaves, there is onions, spices.
There's definitely jeera and dhania powder.
And it towards the end, once you bite into all that goodness, all the masala, the one thing that stands out towards the end, which hits the back of your palate, right at the back there, is that peppery flavor that comes through. I think we're just gonna finish this, but it is amazing. Thank you guys so much. We are big foodies that have grown. I was a very picky eater growing up, but I'm going out of my comfort zone, and thank God for me having to do that, because if it wasn't for me doing that, I don't think I would have tasted such amazing food.
Yep.
Sindhu Trivedi, thank you guys so much. This is phenomenal. For the guys that want a taste of Madurai in Namma city,
In Nammaluru.
in Nammaluru, Bengaluru. Namma Uru, Bengaluru. You got me all confused. You guys definitely need to try this. A taste of Tamil Nadu in Bangalore is Bengaluru. Okay, is something that you don't get on a regular basis, but this is something you need to try, guys. Another thing that Rebecca so decently managed to forget is the pepper chicken as well.
No, Rebecca, sorry. Okay, I need to make an apology. this biryani has taken me away. I'm shamelessly eating it on camera, but it is phenomenal.
It trust me, when you have that first bite, it just makes you want to have that much more and then some.
I came up with by the way, I came up with a really nice line. So it goes like this: if you want to try Madurai style from Tamil Nadu in Namma Bengaluru, you just have to call Triveni or Sindhu who live in Halasuru. I think that was quite cool.
Forgive her, guys.
I think it's the biryani. I blame it on the biryani. It's driving me crazy. It is
amazing, guys. Trust me, for you guys really need to try. I don't know if we've done justice. Well, I hope we have. But Sindhu and Triveni, thank you so much, guys, for doing this, for taking that extra effort, and thanks to your mom, because if it wasn't for her, you guys wouldn't have been
in the kitchen.
You guys wouldn't have been in the kitchen. Rebecca is just full of surprises today. She started eating everything with egg on it. Surprisingly, she said she's allergic to it for all these years, and I got fooled. Yeah.
Okay, another confession on camera. If you've ever heard me say I'm allergic to it in anybody's houses, please don't feel bad, but that's me saying I just don't like that particular vegetable. But it's okay. I mean, it happens.
There's a first time for everything, and guys, trust me, we are not. I'm pretty sure she isn't feeling bad about the fact that she's tried something different, especially egg. But you guys need to give a shout out to Sindhu and Triveni. Please leave your contact details below so that you get more calls. You guys need to try this seriously. Our words does not give justice to how good the biryani is, the subtlety of flavors, the hit that the punch that it gives you towards the end, the aroma, the intensity of flavors,
even the quantity.
The quantity, guys, the quantity is massive.
Okay, please, when you look at what we have on camera, please don't judge the quantities, because what the two of us have served is only
three quarter
of one plate of biryani.
One portion of biryani.
And the portions are massive.
Massive.
The portions are good.
The portions taste delicious.
And I promise you, the next time we eat it, especially this biryani, we're not going to be sharing one.
Trust me, I'm already looking at the second container there, waiting to dig into it. Guys, you need to try this. Hands down.
These kitchen stories go a long way.
Yes, these kitchen stories go a long way. The best food comes from where you've grown up. That's what you always learn to love. And thank you for sharing this with us, Sindhu and Triveni. It is amazing. It is flawless.
Really nice.
And
you're pushing me off camera again.
It's just a marriage of flavors made in heaven. I keep saying this a lot, but you cannot help it. When you get food that's this amazing, you just cannot help it. It is heavenly.
Okay, I've got one more thing to say.
Not another line.
If you want Madurai food from Tamil Nadu in Namma Bengaluru, don't forget to call Sindhu and Triveni, because they live in Halasuru.
You said that already.
I know, I just wanted people to hear it again.
Okay, yes, thank you for joining us. We are enjoying the food. If you guys must know, please give these guys a call. They have worked on this and it is amazing. This is home cooking at its absolute best. Give these guys a shout out. Kudos to the two sisters who, I think your mom should be really proud of you. If this is anywhere close to your mom's biryani, I know that you always say that mine wouldn't be as good, but your mom should be very, very proud of you. Thank you for bringing this. Thank you for sharing this food with us, letting us experience it on camera, talk about it. Hats off to you guys. Keep going, go strong, and I don't see how you can improve from what you already have given us. But if you do, kudos to you guys and all the very best.
If you think you're improving, and you can always call us. Feel free to call us.
Feel free to call us. If you think that you made changes to it, please give us a call and we would love to try it. You guys should call them, get your Sunday overdose of
If you
food.
haven't ordered anything for
For
today,
today, I bet you should give
call
these
them.
guys a call.
If they
Don't
say-
wait for another week. Just call them
if
today.
they say that you have to wait a bit, trust me, it's worth the wait. It's definitely worth the wait.
Trust me, guys.
And Sindhu and Triveni, mwah, that's for your mum, not for y'all. But thank you so, because she literally brought y'all into doing this, and
Yeah, guys, it is just flawless. I'm floored with.
that is true. So
Amazing.
we've got
Amazing.
our bellies are going to be full in a little bit, and this evening we're going to be touching on some soft corners. If you know what that is, or if you don't, tune in to know more. So this afternoon was Halasuru. This evening is Baswan Gudi all over again.
Oh wow, can't wait to try it. And we are gonna say bye now. I sorry we're making this with an impromptu bye, but nevertheless we are just gonna get back into this because it is amazing. I've been eating it all decently on the camera, so I need to get my mess on.
That is true. We're gonna get our mess on because this has been a really nice experience. Thank you so much. As we said before, guys, if you know a cuisine that you think we should try, let us know who to contact and we will. Be it Marwadi, be it Gujarati, be it Bengali.
Indian food, continental,
Not
just
any
food,
cuisine.
just food, guys. We are here to eat and tell you what our experience is like. If we miss out on anything, we are always open to suggestions. But
Yep.
thank you guys for making all of this happen. We wouldn't have known all of this if it wasn't for you guys. So thanks a ton.
And stay tuned for more for the soft corners this evening.
And we're gonna eat and just devour
We're going to
everything.
lick our fingers on
and-
camera. So basically, that's how it works. But see you this evening. We're going to put up the poster in a little while. So do keep following us. Do know what we're talking about when we talk about soft corners and Baswan Gudi. So you guys take care.
Stay
Lots
tuned
of
for
love
more
from
and-
Binge or
From binge.
from
binge.
Binge or Binge. So yes.
Thank you guys.
See you
Stay tuned for
later.
more. Bye bye.